Hello, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of passion fruit, a tropical delight you can absolutely grow right in your own backyard or even on a patio. Imagine harvesting these fragrant, tangy fruits yourself. It's incredibly rewarding. First, selecting the right passion fruit variety is crucial for success. There are many types, but the most common for home gardens are purple and yellow varieties. Purple passion fruit, like Nellie Kelly, is generally more cold-tolerant and self-pollinating. Yellow varieties, such as Golden Giant, often produce larger fruits, but require warmer climates and cross-pollination. Consider your local climate and space when making your choice. Researching local nurseries can also provide insights into what thrives in your region. You can start passion fruit from seeds or cuttings. Seeds can take longer to germinate and fruit, sometimes up to 2 years. For quicker results, cuttings are often preferred. Take a 6 to 8 inch cutting from a healthy, mature vine. Remove the lower leaves and dip the end in rooting hormone. Plant it in a well-draining potting mix, keeping it moist until roots develop. Passion fruit vines are sun lovers, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Choose a spot that receives ample sun throughout the day. Good air circulation is also important to prevent fungal diseases. They thrive in well-draining, fertile soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Amend heavy clay soils with organic matter, like compost, to improve drainage and fertility. A raised bed can also be an excellent option for optimal soil conditions. These vines are natural climbers and require a sturdy support structure. A trellis, arbor, or fence works perfectly. Plant your vine about 6 inches away from the support, guiding the tendrils as it grows. Space multiple plants at least 10 feet apart to allow for adequate growth and air circulation. This prevents overcrowding and ensures each vine gets enough resources. Proper spacing is key for healthy development. Consistent moisture is vital, especially during flowering and fruiting periods. Water deeply and regularly, ensuring the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. Reduce watering slightly during cooler, dormant periods. Feed your passion fruit vine every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Use a balanced fertilizer or one slightly higher in phosphorus and potassium to encourage flowering and fruiting. Avoid excessive nitrogen, which promotes leafy growth over fruit production. Pruning is essential for maintaining vine health, promoting fruit production, and managing size. The best time to prune is after the main fruiting season, typically in late winter or early spring. Remove any dead, diseased, or weak branches. You can also prune to control the vine's spread and encourage new growth. Aim to open up the canopy for better air circulation and sunlight penetration. This practice rejuvenates the plant and boosts future yields. Passion fruit vines can be susceptible to certain pests and diseases. Common pests include aphids, scale insects, and mites. Inspect your plants regularly and treat infestations with organic insecticidal soap or neem oil. Fungal diseases like fusarium wilt and brown spot can also occur. Ensure good air circulation and avoid overhead watering to minimize fungal issues. Promptly remove and destroy any affected plant parts to prevent spread. Many purple passion fruit varieties are self-pollinating, meaning they can produce fruit without another vine. However, yellow varieties often require cross-pollination from a different vine. Bees are excellent pollinators for passion fruit. If natural pollination is insufficient, you can hand-pollinate. Use a small paintbrush to transfer pollen from the anthers to the stigma of the flowers. This is best done in the morning when pollen is most viable. Knowing when to harvest is key to enjoying the best flavor. Passion fruit is ready when it changes color, typically from green to deep purple or yellow, depending on the variety. The fruit will also feel slightly heavy and may wrinkle a bit. Gently twist the fruit from the vine. It should detach easily. If it falls to the ground, it's also ripe. Collect fallen fruit promptly to prevent spoilage. If your vine isn't fruiting, consider factors like insufficient sunlight, lack of pollination, or nutrient imbalances. Ensure consistent watering and proper fertilization. Yellowing leaves can indicate nutrient deficiencies or overwatering. Adjust your watering schedule and consider a soil test to determine specific nutrient needs. Patience is also important. young vines may take some time to establish before producing abundant fruit. So, go ahead and give it a try. You'll be amazed at the vibrant flavors and the beauty your passion fruit vine brings to your garden. Happy gardening, everyone!